Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds on your laptop. Many fans want to enjoy these classic games on a larger screen. The most direct and official method involves using a dedicated platform designed for Android games on PC. This approach provides a smooth experience, letting you enjoy your favorite bird-flinging action with ease and precision. It's a fantastic way to revisit the fun. First, you'll need to install the Google Play Games beta application. Head to the official Google Play Games website and download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Make sure your laptop has at least 8 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive for optimal performance. This ensures a smooth setup and gameplay experience. Once installed, open the Google Play Games application and sign in with your Google account. Then, use the search bar to find Angry Birds 2 or other available titles. Click the Install button, and the game will download directly to your laptop. After a quick installation, you can launch the game and start flinging birds right away. It's that simple to get into the action. Playing on a laptop offers enhanced control with your mouse, allowing for incredibly precise aiming. You can also adjust the game's graphics settings to suit your computer's capabilities, ensuring a visually stunning and lag-free experience. This platform also provides access to many other popular Android games, expanding your gaming library. Enjoy countless hours of fun with your favorite feathered friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.